Welcome to the class. During the following module, I suggest you embroidering these peculiar leaves with the streaks that remind an ancient ornament. Transfer the picture and start embroidery from the left leaf that I would like to cover with the silver threads, red sequences, and silver beads. Today we will only cover the frame of the leaf using the threaded silver beads. Apply the lock on the base of the stem and then circle around the leaf until the upper peak. Highlight then the peak of the leaf and continue following the stem, placing 5 to 6 loose stitches without beads. And when the stem's line starts off doubling, kindly initiate placing beads and like this continue to the base of the leaf. Then again up to the peak. Don't lose yourself in case you find this embroidery too hard from the first overlook. Later you will understand that by dividing the pattern into 2-3 segments or even more, it turns to become easy, very pleasant and quick. Such-wise, I recommend you to follow my instructions towards the directions on the stitches, but later you may easily constitute it on your own without facing any challenge. Photograph your work from both sides of the frame and send it to me along with questions or comments if you have.